Denmark Farm Conservation Centre is a 40-acre nature reserve. We're 30 years old this year, and we run a variety of conservation courses and sustainability courses, and our main aim is to connect people with nature. So everything we do, we involve people, whether that's our volunteers who help us look after the site and monitor the wildlife, or people who come on our courses, or people who stay in our accommodation here. Well, the grant will be used to firstly extend one of our boardwalks. We have a lot of visitors here and people just come and walk around the site. They can come at any time, and parts of the site are getting quite muddy. And so we're gradually building boardwalks to make it easier for people to walk around, to make it safer for them to get around. And so we're going to extend one section to make it a lot better for people to reach the bottom of the site. The second thing that we'll do with the grant, we're going to build a new bridge between two of our meadows. We have 26 acres of grassland and a whole variety of plants, and to keep it in really good condition, we have grazing animals, and the bridge will enable us to get the ponies in to do the grazing. So both of those things we will be doing with volunteers. So we will build, they'll learn how to build a bridge, they'll learn how to build boardwalk and receive lots of training in the process. Well, we're a very small charity, so any grant funding is just so helpful to us to enable us to keep supporting our volunteers and enabling people to visit the site and see what we do here and just see all the abundance of nature that we've got, and really just to help the site connect more people with nature.